Hi everyone, my name is Ashley Dixon and I'm just going to give you guys some background about me. So, describe your work role where you have encountered people who are diagnosed with a mental health condition. So, I currently work in a mental health facility, well, an agency. It's more of a group home setting, and a lot of the individuals, it's a mixture of both physical disabilities and intellectual disabilities, but it's a majority of intellectual disabilities that the clients have. And in the past, I worked at a mental health clinic. It was very interesting. I can say that working in the field of mental health, there's something new every day, and it's very unpredictable, but an interesting field to work in, definitely. My experience with the diagnosis and the DSM. In what way have you participated in a treatment team to make DSM-5 diagnosis? So I can say that while working at the mental health hospital, we definitely, being a mental health technician, you definitely have a lot to do in terms of keeping track of different behaviors and monitoring and just getting to know a lot about the individuals in the patients in the hospital. So you also meet with you meet with nurses, you meet with other mental health technicians, and you guys all sit down and compare your notes and just really keep track of the different behaviors and everyday life of the patient at the time, and it helps to give information so you can help to diagnose based on the DSM. And in what ways do you work with a practitioner to make the DSM-5 diagnosis? So at the current job I have now, I am in more of a higher position, a manager position, so I actually get to meet with the psychiatrist and we can sit and talk about the client and how they're doing and their behaviors, and it's more weighed on me and the client, I would say, rather than a team. We definitely sit there and give just information and provide the behavioral records of the individual to just help to diagnose based on the DSM. So that's it.